Hey guys, it's me, NYSEinstein from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Dow Jones Industrial Average, 21,115. We're talking, we've gone through Dow, 20,000 hats. We've gone through Dow, 20,000 hats. We're not at Dow 30,000 yet, but we are surely breaking through Dow, 21,000 hats. Giddy up, this is crazy. Out of control. Market was waiting on Trump. Trump obviously delivered from everyone's point of view. The market was waiting on Trump, and Trump delivered. He sounded presidential. He didn't pull out any wild cards. He did not, as we talked yesterday, did not lay out a plan and a timeline, though. But basically, he did not disappoint, it seems. So I think this market, which is now beyond record highs, this was the fastest the market's ever moved 1,000 points in history. 26 days, we went from Dow 20,000 to 21,000. This was a broad, across-the-board rally. Russell up almost 30, Spiders up 32, transports up almost 200. The only thing that was off was oil and gold a little bit. But net, this market is on fire. We are out of control. This train is riding the tracks fast. This is a speed train. It's bound for glory, and you got to be on it. This market is not coming in, okay? This man did not disappoint in this thing. He sounded presidential. He did not disappoint anybody. It was kind of baffling. He did talk about immigration. He talked about border tax. He did talk about spending $1 trillion on infrastructure. Okay, he did talk about the fact that the market is $3 trillion higher than it was before the election. Okay, it was a strange speech. It was basically reiterating all the good things he's planning on doing. Did he, I guess it wasn't the opportunity to lay down a timeline. As we said, thought that they were going to be buying the rumor, selling the news. They did not do that. Okay, and that's where we're at. They definitely are. They threw back on the table interest rate raises for March and June and maybe September. So 3 for next year. They're selling into strength. That market's just fluffing that off in every possible way. This market is off the charts. Now, why was it up 350 points at one point? I'm willing to bet it was half Trump rally and Trump speech and half covering of a short. So we've talked about this. Everybody, it was like that bet they made when he won the presidency, that it was going to be down 1,000 points. And in fact, it wasn't. The next morning we had a $2 billion buy program and the market took off, went up 300 points. That's what happened here today. There was a big bet that there was no way he was going to deliver on all his promises at the speech. There was a huge short position out there, in my opinion, okay? When they saw all the other buyers who were buying into the speech, buy on, and the market was up 200 points pre-market, the short guys realized that this was going to get them by the neck, noose them, strangle them, and hurt them in a big way, and they hopped on board the train. We had a $1 billion buy program came in right before the opening at 929.29. This market opened, went higher, never blew, hit 21,000 and took off. We closed at 21,115. These are not resistance levels that we're breaking through. These are like we're blowing through them and forming early foundations in this market. Okay? There is just no sign this market is over, on its way up. Is this a bubble? I definitely don't believe so. This was broad court rally, 50-50, major short cover, major rally, everyone buying in this market. There's plenty of money on the sidelines, plenty of money for people waiting for the market to come in. It's not doing any of those things. Okay, there are people who are underinvested. There are people who need to be in this market. Einstein out for today. Tomorrow is a Snapchat IPO, one of the biggest ever. Social media wildness. Okay, oversubscribed, priced at $17. It's going to open up big and it's probably going to rally. Long-term investment, I'm not really clear. It's going to be wild. It's going to be crazy, and you'll be here. Stick with Einstein. Stick with the NYSE. I'm out.